do a video for the Camaro. Key. 2SS. I didn't even find the key. Get the hell out. That shit hard. Camaro got the best interior, man. See, you got the bag on the floor. Don't mess up the floor. Alright, man, we're in the Camaro 2SS with the stars in the roof. You know what I mean? We got it. Oh shit. Turn that down. Alright, so yeah, you got the heat on 1,000 in this motherfucker. The interior in that car go crazy. I'm gonna show y'all the outside when I stop, but god dang. POV in the Camaro with the stars in the roof, man. It's so clean. I got the 2SS Camaro, man. I'm gonna do a look. Rucci. I'm gonna get in some light so y'all can see it better. Probably stop at the gas station or something. But we're gonna do a POV drive in the Camaro. Late night. Oh, that thing sound amazing. Stars in the roof. Woo! Ain't so name. Let me so clean. Alright, never mind. Well, windshield tinted, so man, it's gonna be kind of hard for y'all to see, but and the fog out here where we stay. Listen to that exhaust. The stars in the roof. This shit so nasty, boy. I ain't gonna do too much talking in the video, man. I'm gonna let y'all boy listen to it. To the downshifts and shit. Amazing, boy. You already know what we do. We look both ways before we turn. Come on, man. That is right there. Maybe a scat. It's so dark out there. I don't want to get on it too hard because you know you got the wheels on here. I'm gonna show y'all the wheel when I stop. Lit up area. Get out. Hopefully ain't too many like pull me behind me. Oh, can't really tell. That car riding closer here. Dang, we ain't speeding. Nigga pulled me over. He just trying to be a bully, ain't he? Get late. it was daylight outside, make that nigga do his job. Man, please don't fucking try to turn, bro. What the hell wrong with you, man? Stupid ass. That shit's so hard, but it ain't got the green and red going on. I ain't going to Walmart. I heard they mess up 4 cars, so I go to Kroger. Got some good lighting back here. Let me show y'all what the Camaro look like with the Ruccis on it. Only thing I hate is the seat, bro. Kind of tall, so you can't let the seat all the way back. But, you know what I'm saying? Check them out. It's so clean. He do got the RGB lights on the front. Can't really see them unless the car is off. Well, I guess we can. You can see it really good. Black hood. Got the bumper dead in black. White LED strip. Bit nasty. Back. A lot of y'all Camaro boy know about the camera. I ain't a fan of the camera, man. It be messing with my eye, but you know, a lot of people like it. You see what behind you. Damn, my phone's. I gotta get a case on that phone. Scared I'm gonna drop. But there y'all go. Good POV of the Camaro, man. Do a little cutting up before we end this video. I mean, I really can't cut the ground with, so it ain't really much I can do. But you know what I'm saying? Car come with the trim. No, but then my favorite part of the car is the star. If you don't like the stars, you're goofy. But get in here. Get back around. Oh, hold up. Got the key. Alright, making sure now. Turn the car around. Get up out of here. I ain't trying to. Alright. Hold up, y'all. You know, save the first click of the ticket. I can't lie, that sounds fucking amazing, bro. Totally did face that. I hate turning out right here, bro, because you can barely, like, the car be coming up that motherfucker so fast. Because it go from highway to red light. But yeah. Stop doing all that talking. Let y'all hit him, motherfucker. As y'all see that he got rims on here, so you really can't just nail it, cause that car gonna break traction easy with them rims on there. Especially like the condition of the road. So I really been doing a lot of cruising, downshifting. Let y'all hear the pops on it. I don't want to ride with the window down. I feel like that distort the sound. You really ain't even gonna be able to hear it like that. Let's see. Trying to get the one with the window cracked a little bit. I don't want to have it all the way down. It sound like we going roll window. It sound like we going fast. We not even speeding. So foggy out here. How amazing it cross down. It's a hump right here in the road, so you know we gotta take it light. Had to do a review on it when it's a little more dry outside so we can really get on it. You know, the vision, the view better, but man, I can't see nothing on that road. Let them know I'm coming over the hill, but you can't see.